What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around over here at the park on a 1954 Chevrolet. We're in the middle of a test drive. It seems to be running and driving very well. A nice strong motor under the hood. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. This one's got a patina paint job. They got that little old rust look with the scratches all over it. Somebody actually did that on purpose to give it this look. Check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. Yes, we ship these cars all over the nation. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. Hit that subscribe button if you like seeing these videos. Front grille and bumper are in great condition on this truck. Nice and shiny all the way around. Under the hood is 348. Runs and drives good, nice power steering. Looking down the side, it's actually a nice straight truck. Fenders are in great condition. The tires are at least 50% tread. Have good tread on them. As you can see, you know, they did this on purpose, like I said. We'll be shutting the hood down, giving you a better view here shortly. Checking the bottom of the door out. Looks to be nice and solid. See where they fixed this. That's not where the tag goes, but it's a magnet. We just stick them on there. Toolbox in the bed. Bumper's new on the rear, along with dual exhaust. Gas tank in the bed. You can open your beer right here. A few little dings and dents on this back part of the cab. A little bit of rust popping up in the bottom of this door. There's a hole right there in the front. The window here has a crack in it. I noticed the door, you actually got to slam it to shut it. I think it's partial to this handle here getting stuck. You actually got to reach outside and open it. This needs to be replaced. This handle is worn out on the inside. The seat is in great condition. Headliner looks nice and new and clean, along with the light on the inside. Aftermarket gauges, nice and clean. I think everything works on this one. Go ahead and place your bets on the horn, though. Do you think the horn works? You got a console on the floor. It's not bolted down, but what's this on the side? Warm and cool. This heats and cools your stuff, I guess. Door panel looks pretty good on this one. Checking the bottom of the door. A little bit of rust down there. Carpet's been replaced. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Did y'all place your bets on the horn yet? It works. Starts up nice and easy. Temperature's going to come back down in just a second. We've had it off on a long test drive. Radio does work. I don't know where the sound went. I've done something. I've got it into the settings. Windshield wipers do work as well. All right. See on the door, if you just shut it normal, it doesn't shut. Slam it, it shuts. It's out of adjustment. Nice flat motor, aluminum radiator. Even got an electric fan up in the grill. Getting ready to give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so be looking for those. Let's look up under. Go ahead and shut the hood down here. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. We're getting ready to get back to the test drive video. Be checking for it. You can look us up on YouTube under Maple Motors. All these videos will pop up along with lot walks, test drives, and full walkarounds of each car. Go to maplemotors.com for additional information like financing and shipping. Also have all of our inventory on there with close to 100 detailed pictures of every single car. We're all family up here. We've been around for almost 40 years. And we don't plan on going anywhere. We still buy about 15 cars a week and update our website every Monday. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't be shy. Hit that share button. Comment below. I'll try to get back to your comments as quick as I can. And I do appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.